morning, YouTube. This is Vince at Fern Valley Honeybees. Today is day 12 since these bees were installed. I checked the queen. On the third day she was out, so we're going to open this up right now. We're going to see what it looks like. Hopefully we got a laying queen. Hopefully we got some brood. We got some nectar. We're about to find out. I got my smoker lit. Let's just put this on. We'll open it up. I like to put the gloves on because you never know. I haven't been stung yet, but we're also going to put the hive beetle traps in here too for the hive beetles. I actually keep forgetting about that, so I've got them ready. I made a video on what I use for hive beetles. I use the beetle blaster. I'll show you that in a minute here. Let's open this up. Put that there. There's still syrup, which is good. Set that down. Looks good. We're going to skim a little bit of smoke here. Sometimes it ain't bad to smoke your hands too. Put a little smoke on your arms. Kind of lets the bees know you're coming. A little bit of comb here they built on the top. Here I'm going to remove this. That there. Just set that over there. And remember, when you take these frames out, you want to put them back in the same order you took them out on. So this looks pretty good. These frames from the middle all the way to the right look like there's some activity. I'm going to pull the outside frame. Let's see what we got here. We're going to slide these over. I've got bees in a lot of frames here. I'm going to pull the middle frame out. Usually they build from the middle out. So we're going to pull this. Maybe we'll even see the queen. Pull it out slow. There's some cap brood here in the middle. There's some honey on top. Honey on top. Set that back in there kind of easy. Lots of bees. Hopefully they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. Lots of cap brood here. This is the middle frame. I don't know if you can see. I don't have a cameraman with me today, so hopefully you can see this. There's nectar up on top. Looks good. Put this back in here, real slow. Lots of nectar on top. Looks like the middle frame had the most brood on it. I did put extra wax on these frames to kind of help things along a little bit. And it seems like it's working. Lots of nectar. I don't see the queen, but I'm really not looking too much here. I just want to kind of open them up, see what they look like. I'm going to come over here. Looks good. Got lots of comb on here. There's a bunch of nectar. The one frame seems to have the most. They're pretty active on all the frames actually. Even the outside frame here. Let's pull this and we'll see what it looks like. This is my Italian hive. Oop. working on the outside frame here. So I'll be curious to see what this looks like in a total of, I'll probably check it at like 22 days. Because I'm not sure exactly what day the queen was released. She was out after 3 days. I'm going to close this hive back up. There's still some sugar syrup in there, so they must be getting their full. It's really important to make sure you feed your bees. For as cheap as it is, you just Walmart sugar 1-to-1, a cup of water, a cup of sugar. And the pollen patty is gone in this hive, so I've got another one. I'm going to put it on. I cut my pollen patties in half, and I just throw them in the freezer because there's a whole bunch of different theories on what the shelf life is for them. So here again, you don't want to spend your money and it goes bad. So I'm just going to take the pollen patty and I'm going to stick it right there. And we're going to put the hive beetle trap in. I did a video on these already. All these they're called the beetle blaster. You put some vegetable oil in them and you set it in between your two frames. I'll move this camera, but I'm going to set that right there. I don't see any beetles, but you never know. You want to kind of stay on top of that. Make sure these frames are set here. I said, these beetle blasters are pretty cheap. You can get, I think, 6 of them. I paid for under $20. And I just got regular old vegetable oil from Walmart. You can buy the good stuff if you want, but hopefully you can see this okay. Like I said, I don't have a camera person today. I'm just going to fill this. Well, I guess I put a little bit too much in, but that's all right. I got it about halfway full. That down there. I'm going to set that right there. And hopefully, and we'll see, next time I open this up, there might be something in there. So everything looks good. It's 12 days. They're working pretty good. They're just cap brood. So that means we have a laying queen. I didn't look for her. She's in there somewhere, but she's doing what she's supposed to be doing. I don't need to pull all the frames to go find her. So I'm going to cover this back up. I'm going to open the other hive. I'm going to put the other beetle blaster in there. I have no point showing you guys that. I want to bore everybody. But there is a new pollen patty on here and the beetle blaster. So let me see what this looks like on the camera so everybody can see this. I'm just going to carry the camera over here carefully. You can see the beetle blaster there. You can see the pollen patty. Like I said, for as inexpensive as it is, it can't hurt to put them on. Feed your bees, really important. And if they don't need the pollen, they won't take it. If they need it, they'll take it. It's nice when I have a camera person. Okay. I'm going to close this hive back up. The paper, you can leave the paper on. They will chew right through the paper. So, like I said, if they need the pollen, they'll take it. If they don't, they'll just leave it alone. I am going to install, or I'm going to hang an outside pollen feeder out here, but I don't really think I need it now. The pollen's pretty good. The dandelions are in bloom. I've got a pasture full of clover. I've got the woods. The wildflowers are coming. Are starting to bloom, so I think we're okay. So, I'm going to cover this hive up. Open the other one. Check it. Check the syrup. And put a beetle blaster in there, we should be good to go. So until next time, YouTube, if you like the video, please subscribe. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. If you click on that bell, every time I get a video, you'll get a notification. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and until next time, YouTube, we'll talk to you later. Bye.